So, you know what I haven't posted in a while? A sneaker video. So why don't I just post a sneaker video and just tell you guys all about my sneakers and what I wear? Okay, so make sure you subscribe. But nah, none of less of the jokes. I can't even get this video right. Yeah, I just woke up, so I just figured I had a thumbnail in my photos for a little while about sneakers, so I should post a sneaker video. So I'm gonna get back on my grind. I haven't been posting a lot lately, so I'm like, okay, I can't just keep doing that. You know that phase when you're on YouTube, and then you have that phase where you're like, I don't know what, if you're a YouTuber, you know, like you won't post for a while. So it's basically that. So I'm just gonna do my sneaker collection. It's really simple. That's why I'm talking a lot. It's 1 minute. It's very simple. It's not a lot of shoes, but it is for some people. So but make sure you like and comment while we're doing this video right now. And yeah, this is different, man. It feels new. Like, I got a new phone. My editing software is different, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mozzie. I'll put his link below. Just did a couple videos. People hate them. Yeah, let's start with, should we start with expensive shoes or the base? You know, let's start with the basic shoes, so you know what I kind of wear daily. The G Fazos. We already got a thumbnail, so it's probably fire, but the G Fazos, these are dirty as you see, like, oh my lord. Yeah, these are definitely. Now, how I got these dirty was an explanation that I have in hand. Food spilled on these and I didn't clean these yet, but you get the G Fazos still look good, like beaters. They still look good, like they look good, all right. I wear these, obviously. These are the usual shoes. I think everybody who got a sneaker collection video got these. And it's funny, I just got these. So we got the G Fazos. I don't need to speak too much about those. I'm gonna just, yeah. What we gonna do is the Air Forces. So the Air Forces, I got these because, like I said, if you don't know me yet, I resell shoes. So, you know what I'm saying? I resell shoes. So I had to get these. I'm still trying to sell them. If you want them, look, comment down below. Be like, I want them. Look, they right here. So they're the Nike Air Force Ones, high top, special field, SF, you know what I'm saying? I got them in brown. I want them in white, which I'm still trying to do. But yeah, I love these still. When it's cold, especially out here, you could wear them. Shoot, I just don't want them no more. Yeah, I just don't want them no more. We got those. Those are the second pair that I always wear. We could go with the third Air Forces that I have. All right, now we have these. These are dirty. I need to clean that little inside, but that's all I need to clean. These shoes really don't get creased. Like, when you wear these, they don't get creased. Like, the type of feel of the shoe. If you know about these shoes, you know what I'm talking about. Like, they barely can get creased like that. Like, they was just already made to be kind of creased anyway. But it's the type of shoe anyway. But I love these. As you see, I wear these a lot. I don't know if you can tell by the bottom. Nah, you can't really tell. Nah, you can't, kind of. But yeah, but these, that's what I'm saying. Like, they're nice. I wear these when it's cold because it covers the ankles and stuff like that. Those are my third pair of Air Forces. Now we're gonna go to Jordan 1s. I just copped these. And these are in the thumbnail. I love these. Oh my gosh, I love it. I always have something inside. I gotta clean it. But who cares? I'm showing you the real deal. I love these Jordan 1s. Oh my gosh, I need another pair, bro. This is what I was saying. This is gonna be a simple video. Jordan 1s. You know what I'm saying? These are the only Jordan 1s I really have. And then expensive shoes. So, don't clown me. Now I have Balenciagas, right? Now, before you even judge me, now the white ones, I really don't care if it's replica. The white ones are replica. but everything else is real. Like the black and red, real. Different year, 2017. These are the white ones. Now you can't really find them anywhere, so of course I had to just buy replicas, and they're like for 100, something like that, and they look good. People always compliment like, yo, what are those? These are fire. I'm gonna get the ones with the black bottom on it, and I'm gonna get the black with the white bottom because I have all black. But yeah, these are the replica ones. If you wanna get the replicas, look, let me know. I'll let you know where to get them, because I don't really like the real white Balenciaga lettering on there. You know, we got red. These are the legit ones, as you see right here. The bottom, as you can see, I wore these like a lot. You know what I'm saying? Red bottoms on the feet. But yeah, people always comment like, yo, where'd you get those? But Farfetch, if you know Farfetch, that's where I got them from. Yeah, I put these back over here. Here are the all black ones right here. You know what I'm saying? Right here. I don't think I need to show you two shoes all the time. But yeah, I wear these a lot, but you can't tell. I probably wore these the most, and you still can't tell. That tells you the black bottom of the shoes on Balenciagas go for years. Wild. Yeah. That's why I'm saying, like, the sneaker collection is simple, but like, that's all you really need to do in life is be simple. Everything else is like Kyrie's. You know what I'm saying? Kyrie's played ball in these, can't even speak. I don't know if you can tell I wore these a lot, but Kyrie's like this. These are one of my top favorite shoes. I like Kyrie's because they're low to the ankle. You could ball in them, you know what I'm saying? You can play basketball well in these. You can run faster. It's kind of like Kobe's a little bit. You can run faster in Kobe's. They're light on your feet, nothing too hefty. Now the last pair that I kind of stopped wearing these are Converse. And I don't even wear Converse no more. I used to wear these in school. I used to wear these in high school, but don't wear them no more. So yeah, and these are dirty. I don't like Converse. My whole shoe game changed mindset wise. I don't like those. But yeah, those are really all my sneakers that I wear literally like daily. I don't need a lot of sneakers. I'm not that person that's like, I need sneakers. But then I am sometimes. Like when I go in the store and want to buy a hoodie, I go get sneakers instead. I don't know why. I changed my whole mindset going in the store. Because I do love shoes. I do. If you want these, let me know. I'll put these in the link below. I really love these. I'm sorry. I really love these. I don't care if they're replica. I do not care. But they fit comfortable just like the real ones. So yeah, black ones. They were for when I got these. It's funny because people ask. So I got these when they were like $650, but now Balenciagas are like the hype. So everybody wants them. So yeah. This is like my sneaker collection right here. I'm just putting everything back in place. But yeah, let me get back in the camera and speak. So yeah, those are all the shoes. Subscribe, man. Please like and comment below. I will have an updated sneaker collection video. Now for the sneaker collections, I might start stacking up just for y'all. So that's when y'all could come back and be like, yo, he really upped his game. So I'll probably even show you the boxes, everything. I don't really care about the boxes. If you care about the boxes, let me know. I'll bring the boxes of the shoes. I'll start bringing boxes. I won't throw away the boxes, basically. So subscribe, like, comment below. If you're new, you know you gotta F with me, man. We are part of the family, the Yngr&b family. You know, I do music, I do everything. I probably put it in the YouTube bio. I don't even know if I have a YouTube bio. But man, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Those are all the simple shoes I wear daily. And yeah, I'll see you later. MK. You think this is a game? But it's fully loaded. Yo, I'm popping out. Them niggas ain't rapping out.